Carrie with SSV Custom. This video is to show you how to apply our removable, repositionable hat patches. If you buy the complete kit, you will get a mini E6000 glue. Your hat patch, it'll look like this. It'll have a small piece of parchment paper on the back covering the Velcro. And so to apply it, it's very, very simple. So you're going to gently pull the parchment paper off. And it already has both sides of the Velcro ready to go. So you're just going to very, very gently take this off like so. Okay. And that's what it'll look like. It has, like I said, it has both sides of the Velcro. One side is already attached with the adhesive, the other side is not. Try not to touch it, the Velcro pieces, because that is really, really sticky. Okay, so then you're going to take your E6000 glue, and it doesn't take a lot. And you're just going to put a little dab on each corner on the adhesive, on the Velcro. Okay, then cap your E6000 so that it won't keep coming out. Okay, alright, so now you're just going to get your hat patch and you're going to fold it in half. Make sure you have it facing the right way. And try not to touch the adhesive. Okay, so you got it folded up like this. And then to position it on the hat, I like to kind of bend my hat so that I can see kind of exactly where the middle is. And then you're just going to position it like so. Let go of the hat. I put my finger right here and I just let it fall like this. And then you're just going to press your patch down like this. Find all the little, where the little Velcro pieces are, and just use your finger. You don't have to put a whole lot of pressure, just enough to make the adhesive kind of spread around the whole piece. And that's it. Now you're going to let it sit for at least 24 hours without touching it, so that the adhesive actually has time to dry. It does take up to 76 hours for the adhesive to fully cure, so I would not be changing out your patches a whole lot. I would just wait for the full 72 hours until you make absolutely sure everything is fully cured before you start changing out your patches. Okay, so to change out your patches, this is the visor that I did. And to change out your patches is really, really simple. That's really about it. And then when you're wanting to take them off, try not to grab the fringe. Just try to get a corner and it just pulls right off. And then you just put your next patch right on. Kind of push it down just a little bit so it make sure it adheres good to the other piece of the Velcro, and that's it. And you can change out your patches as much as you want after the 72 hours. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can reach out to me via Etsy Messenger. Thank you so much.